Welcome to the second part of Creating Fashion Disasters for Clout. I am your host, Neptuni, and today we are mixing a tricolored cluster of flowers, a Nemo butterfly, a giant moth, a magic butterfly straight out of a Gacha mini movie that guides the main character towards the main treasure, and me at any social gatherings. Shout out to nobody, because no one commented on the last part. That took me like 15 hours to do and I only got like 11 views. The first 15 minutes of designing, I just stood there like... I then got up from the comfort of my couch and did 5 360s on myself and got some nice cold water. Then, instead of searching for inspiration on Safari, I started doodling a sleeve with the moss and got inspired again. This time, instead of losing inspiration, I lost my motivation after copy-pasting the same flower a gajillion times and had to redraw out every 10 flowers because it would get too blurry to distinguish any details. But that's more of a pain in the ass because I already struggled enough on the drawing the first time. Then, to lighten my mood a little, I put this thing. I don't know what it's called. Does anybody know? Please tell me. I have no idea how to search this up. Also, don't get too attached to the yellow thingies. They ain't staying for long. Same for the boots. For the dress, I really wanted to encapsulate the sort of dripping feel from the middle right butterfly. Also, Mika didn't see the last part. Like, how could you? Did you actually see it and perhaps realize that my challenge was too impossible? I'm giving you the same challenge again to see if you can do this dress instead. But I really doubt anyone can. For the background, I just explored the effects of IB's paintings for a little bit until I did a slightly different background than the base color. After layering, coloring, and shading, my dumbass realized that the yellow wings on the side were very out of place. They kind of took away from the drippiness of the dress, and I just moved them to the boots, causing me to put 20% of my work to trash. And kids, that's why you always flip your canvas. And this is the final result. Honestly, I kinda like it, even if it looks very different from what I would have imagined doing. It's very beige to my unjustified surprise. Okay, bye.